Okay, you have the corneal suture, the parietal bone, the temporal bone, the lambdoid suture, the squamous suture, the occipital-mastoid suture, occipital bone, the external acoustic meatus, the mastoid process, zygomatic process, the mandibular condyle, mandibular notch, mandibular ramus, mandibular angle, mental foramen, mandible, alveolar margins, maxilla, zomer, nasal bone, zygomatic bone, lacriminal fossa, lacriminal bone, ethmoid bone, sphenoid bone, and frontal bone. And then you have your hyoid bone, and the first 7 vertebrae are the cervical vertebrae. And then the next 12 are the lumbar vertebrae. And then the last 5 are, those are the thoracic vertebrae. And then the last 5 are the lumbar vertebrae. And then you have the sacrum and the coccyx. And then you have your sternum with the menumbrum, sternum angle, and the body. Your first 7 ribs are true ribs, and then the next 4 are false ribs. Then you have 2 floating ribs. And then you have the clavicle, the scapula, the humerus, the radius, the ulna, and then you have your carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. For the carpals, you have the scaphoid, the lunate, the trigeminate, the hamate, capitate, pisiform, trapezoid, and trapezium. And then you have your you have the coxal bone with the ilium, ischium, and pubic bone. And then you have your humerus, your femur, the patella, the tibia, the fibula. And then you have your tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. For tarsals, you have the medial condyle, or the medial cuneiform, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, the navicular, the talus, and the calcaneus. And that's it.